Hey everyone, are you looking to make $100 a day? Whether it's for extra income or to reach your financial goals, today I'm sharing simple and practical ways to do just that. Let's jump right in. First up, freelancing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for offering your skills. Can you write, design, or edit videos? Maybe you're good at managing social media? You can start small by charging $10 or $20 per task. Completing 5 tasks a day adds up to $100. Next is selling digital products. You can create ebooks, printable planners, or templates using free tools like Canva. Upload them to platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. With just a few sales a day, you can hit your $100 goal. Affiliate marketing is another awesome way to earn. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Promote products you love through social media or a blog. Each time someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. Do you know a skill like math, English, or even fitness? Offer tutoring or coaching online. Websites like Preply or Coach.me make it easy to connect with people looking for your expertise. Charge $20 to $30 an hour, and you can hit your target in just a few hours. If you prefer something offline, try food delivery services like UberEats, DoorDash, or Instacart. You can easily make $100 a day working just a few hours during peak times. There you have it. Easy ways to make $100 a day. Remember, the key is consistency and choosing what works best for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who could use these tips. See you in the next video.